Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that affects every single one of us: bad habits. Yup, those little things we do that we know aren't great for us, but somehow, we just can't seem to stop. From biting your nails to binge watching shows until 3 a.m. or even endlessly scrolling on your phone, we all have our vices. But today, I'm here to share the real secret to breaking those habits and making a lasting change. Alright, before we dive into how to break bad habits, let's talk about why we have them in the first place. Habits are basically shortcuts for our brains. Imagine if you had to relearn how to brush your teeth every morning. Exhausting, right? Habits automate our behaviors to save us energy. But sometimes, our brains hold on to habits that aren't helpful or healthy. Here's where it gets interesting. Every habit has three parts: cue, routine, and reward. Think about it like a loop. The cue triggers the habit, the routine is the habit itself, and the reward is that little feel-good moment after it's done. To break a bad habit, we need to disrupt this loop. So, step 1. Identify your cues. This is all about noticing when and where you do the habit. Let's say you're trying to cut back on snacking. Notice when you feel the urge. Maybe it's late at night or when you're bored. This is your cue. Next time you feel that craving, take a deep breath and ask yourself, why now? Once you're aware of the trigger, you can start to rewrite the pattern. Step 2. Replace, don't erase. Here's a common mistake: going cold turkey. Instead of eliminating a habit entirely, try swapping it with something positive. Like, if you're always grabbing your phone first thing in the morning, replace it with something healthier. Maybe some stretching or a glass of water. The goal is to give your brain a new reward that it craves. This simple replacement can make a huge difference over time. Step 3. Consistency is key. Remember, habits are built through repetition. So, don't be discouraged if you don't see change overnight. Studies show that it can take anywhere from 18 to 254 days to form a new habit. The trick is to keep showing up for yourself, even when it feels hard. Breaking bad habits isn't about willpower. It's about creating an environment and a mindset where success feels easier. Celebrate the small wins, forgive yourself when you slip up, and remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. So, which habit are you ready to break? Drop it in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content to help you live your best life. Until next time, let's build habits that make us happier, healthier, and unstoppable. See you around.